Hello and welcome. My name is Noah Braun, and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer to help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today I'm going to show you 3 new report enhancements in version 9.3.108 of ProPricer. These enhancements have been included in the latest version of ProPricer to help you keep track of report options used on reports. Add a table of contents to batch reports, and choose exactly which data is included in a full pricing Excel file. So let's get started. I'm going to begin with the new print options report option. This feature prints all the report options that are used to run a specific report. This is useful when you want to recreate a report with the exact same report options as another report. Print options has been added to all built-in reports in ProPricer. To use this new enhancement, start by simply opening a report. For my example, I will use the Task Cost Summary report. Then scroll to the bottom of the Format options. Just below the cost decimal setting, you will see a checkbox for Print Options. I'll select it and run the report to see how the options are shown. They will be on the last page of the report, so let's click the last page button up here, and there they are. If your company uses a standard set of report options on their reports, I recommend printing one of these reports with print options selected and posting it in a shared location so your users can quickly check the report options that are needed on their reports. This can also be helpful when new users are being trained. Our next enhancement is the batch report feature. To start, I'll go ahead and open a batch report that I created in my reports list. For those of you who have not used the batch report feature, it is essentially a group of reports that are all processed at once. Down here in the member reports area, you can see all the reports that are included in the batch. The enhancement for the batch reports is this new print table of contents option at the bottom of the batch options area. I'm going to change this to yes and then run the batch by clicking process in the ribbon. And there you have it. We now have a table of contents with page numbers showing where each report in the batch begins. I should also mention that you can use the print options setting in the batch report as well. It is just right over here in the format area. Okay, one last enhancement that we added in version 9.3.108 of ProPricer is the ability to include or exclude accounting calendar worksheets from a full pricing Excel file. To show you this, I'll open up a report and I'll select the Print to Excel. In the list right here, this accounting calendar checkbox is new. To remove the accounting calendar from this export file, simply deselect the checkbox. So in conclusion, we have covered 3 reporting enhancements that are new to version 9.3.108 of ProPricer. These enhancements can help you keep track of your report options used on reports, add a table of contents to your batch reports, and choose exactly which data is included in a full pricing Excel file. These enhancements are incredibly useful at an administrative level and allow you for better organization of reports. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, or maybe even some tips and tricks of your own, please email us directly. Who knows, your tip might just end up in our next video. Again, my name is Noah Braun, and as always, thanks for watching.